This video is going to cover the Wing Chun closing step with a punch. And what I covered in the last video was the closing step, starting from Kimima, Hyunbo to the closing step, and then to outfall. The outfall step, bring your foot back to Kimima. So this is what I covered in the last video. What we're going to do now is we're going to add in the hands. So you're going to take hands, get set up in your guard. You have your Mansao in the front. This is the seeking hand. Wusao in the rear. This is the protective hand. Okay, your Wusao should be the palm, the bottom of your palm for your Wusao should be resting on your center line. So if you think of your center point, center line goes out. Your Wusao, the palm of your Wusao should be resting right on your center line. Mansao up here. So now we're going to start with just our guard. We're going to do a couple closing steps. We're going to start on the right side. So 1, outfall. Closing step number 2, outfall. When you're doing your closing steps, remember after you've done your closing step, you want feet 45 line running through your arches, 80% weight on your rear, 20% on the front, head up, nice and straight, and sink into that, okay, right here, outfall. Now, to add in the punch, we're going to be punching off the rear, which means this hand, your Wusao hand, okay? So let's just do a couple punches in the air. Go ahead and punch, and you're going to punch right over your Mansao. And this, your Mansao hand becomes your Wusao. Just like that. Mansao, Wusao, punch, punch. So now to punch off the rear, you're simply going to do your closing step and add the punch. So closing step, punch, outfall, reverse your guard, punching off the rear, closing step with a punch, 2. Now outfall, and then with your outfall step you can also punch. So my right leg is going to come back first, and I'm going to punch with my left, 1, and then my left leg is going to come back, punch with my right, 2. Switch again, number 3, closing step and punch. Outfall, outfall. And that is closing step with a punch. One of the most basic drills that you will do in Wing Chun. And you can practice this all day long. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. Consider subscribing to the channel. Just click on that subscribe button and turn on a notification bell, and you'll get notified of future videos as they come out. If you'd like to see even more videos about Wing Chun, you can check out one of these here. Take care, and I'll see you over there.